Welcome to Restful Clouds. This is the first of several guides dealing with multi-foundation and Tools Release 9231. As you probably heard, Tools Release 9231 brings a lot of new changes to the JDE system. It has two flavors, 32-bit and 64-bit. When applying this new Tools Release, you have to test your system and the DB path code. You have to test your third-party tools, you have to test all the custom programs and all the steps to ensure your system is working properly. Then you have to plan for PY. Record how long it takes, and use that timing to plan for your PD. This is where multi-foundation emerges. As you see, the web server and database server are already 64-bit, but the enterprise server and deployment server are still 32-bit. With 9231, you have the option to stay 32-bit or you can move to 64-bit. If you want to take advantage of 9231 right away, you can move to 32-bit, then take the time to further analyze your system before moving to 64-bit. Once you are ready for 64-bit, then you can use our next guide after this one. So, we're going to have two foundations on the enterprise and deployment server. For DV, we're going to upgrade our tools release from 9222 to 9231, listening on port 6117. The other foundation will be PY and PD, which will remain listening on port 6017 for TR 9222. After the TR upgrade, if you sign in from the web server to DV, it will be on port 6117. If from PY or PD, it will be to port 6017, but still on tools release 9222. Therefore, without affecting your production, you can test all your customizations, all your third-party apps, everything. That's the beauty of multi-foundation. Once you're satisfied with DV, it tests properly, then you can do the TR upgrade for PY and eventually PD. 9231 Tools Release is based on Microsoft Visual Studio 2017 RTLs, so the guide shows you how to install this also. This RTL is mandatory. Without it, you'll face many issues. In closing, this guide is assembled to show each and every step required. Here you see the highest level outline for each section, which are then broken out to minute detail to show every checkbox and mouse click. Here you see the outline for the prerequisites. Next you see the outline for the EnterpriseOne Server Manager console. Next we see the outline for working with the enterprise server. Next we see the working with the deployment server and all the steps involved after that. And finally the section on the working with the HTML server. This guide is available now for sale and sells for $299 USD, and it includes 3 service calls of up to 1 hour each. Email us at info@restfulclouds.com if you would like a copy. Our next guide will be multi-foundation on Linux for our Linux-based customers. That's all for now. Bye-bye.